Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Liz from Home Decorating with Liz. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I am participating in another collaboration video, which I love doing these collabs. And this is called My Dirty Secret collaboration. And this is hosted by Juani over at Juani's house. And I'm so glad that she invited all of us to participate in this video. So I'm going to share with you my dirty secret. And I hope that you will stay tuned, and hopefully you won't get too grossed out about what I'm going to share with you. But I'm really excited to be participating, and I want to thank Juani in advance. Thank you, Juani, for thinking of this collaboration. I thought this was a very neat, I must say, it is dirty, but thank you so much for opening this up to everyone. So if you are interested in seeing this video, just keep watching. Well guys, as you can see, this needs some cleaning. This is my secret, and I'm a little embarrassed showing you this, but it's not really bad, but it's not really good either. So anywho, I am going to get it all cleaned up for you, and I hope that you will like the end result, and I hope I do too. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, what I'm doing, I'm spraying some nice, awesome. This is some really good cleaning solution here, and it works pretty good. So I'm just spraying around everywhere as much as I can to saturate this floor. Ooh, look how dirty that is. Lord have mercy. And I hope I can get it clean good to show you guys. And this is just regular Pine Sol. I have it in the same awesome bottle. This is Pine Sol though. So I'm also spraying this on here as well. And I'm going to let this sit for about 15-20 minutes so it can soak up real good all this dirt and grime. Oh my gosh. Juani, I'm gonna get you. You are so sneaky to think of this collab. Oh my gosh. Oh boy, you got us. You get a chance to see our dirty secret. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit for a while. Okay guys, I've got to put a mask on because the fumes of this spray is getting to me. I have allergies and irritating my throat, so now here's my little glove. I may have to put 2 gloves on, and I will be back with the final results. Alright you guys, here it is. Here is the reveal. I've done the best that I could. This was challenging trying to clean this area, I tell you. But hey, it looks much better than it did. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I didn't turn your stomach by seeing all that dirt and grime and everything. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this dirty secret of mine, and now it's all cleaned up. So I thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you on the channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And don't forget to hit your notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload videos and you won't miss any of them. Alright you guys, I thank you guys, and you guys have an awesome day, and I will talk to everyone later in another video. Thank you, Juani. Bye.